Received an item from Shein that isn't quite right? Returning items is part of online shopping, and Shein has a specific process. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily return items on Shein. To return an item, open the Shein app or log in to your Shein account on their website. Navigate to My Orders and find the order containing the item you wish to return. Tap on the order to view its details. Select the items you want to return and choose the reason for the return from the provided options. Shein will then guide you through the return method, which usually involves printing a return label. Some regions might offer pickup services. Finally, package your items securely, attach the return label, and drop off the package at the designated courier location. Track your return through the Shein app. Once Shein receives and processes your return, your refund will be issued. And there you have it. Returning items on Shein is a straightforward process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.